Friends, this is Azhar Husain and welcome back to my channel Fitness Restore. And today I'm going to give you a very good demonstration about the back workout. So friends, there are so many questions arises whether we should train our back or not. And a stronger back muscles will improve your performance and stability on your front side. And there are so many benefits of doing back workout. So I'm not going to discuss so many, but I'm going to discuss only two. That first very important benefits of back workout is it improved your shoulder health. A vast majority of your back muscles move your shoulder blades, which dictate your shoulder movement. So it will improve both your shoulder stability and performance. And the second benefit, which is very important, that it improve your postures while you are sitting, while you are standing, and it is also essential for the spine. Let's start off with our first exercise, which is lats pull over. So you have to take 4 sets for 12 reps each. And I want to tell you something about the lats. Lats are one of the major muscle group in your body, which start from your armpits along the sides of your back and all the way down to your lower back. So lats are very important. So first exercise is lats pull over. Let's start off with the first exercise, lat pull over, and just see my posture, and you have to start like this. So this is my starting position. So 1 2 3. So guys, we are done with the lat pullover, and the second very important exercise is barbell bent over row. Again, you have to take 4 sets with 12 reps each. So you have to see my posture, how I'm standing, and you have to stand in a strict position. You don't have to bounce, right? Okay, so we're gonna start. We are done with the 2 exercises, and now we're gonna start from the third exercise, which is a dumbbell single arm row. So what you need, a dumbbell and a chair. So friends, see my posture. You can see my one leg which is parallel to the chair. So now this is my starting position, and now you have to perform it like this. Our 3 exercises has been completed, and now we're gonna start off with the 4th exercise, which is dumbbell bent over alternating row. So in this set, you have to work on your each side individually, which will give you a very big impact on your torso, right? So we're gonna start from like this. Just see my position. Friends, these were my 4 important exercises of my back routine, and very important thing, that sets remain the same, but you can bring the variations in your sets, like drop sets. So it is very important exercises, so you have to follow. So friends, appreciate it, like it, and keep sharing, and yes, keep training.